Good morning, students. So in the last session we have studied regarding the standard sum of product and standard product of sum. So today we will study how the expression will be converted in standard SOP or POS, that is sum of product or product of sum form. So before we convert these expressions to sum of product or product of sum, so let's see the steps how to convert the sum of product to standard sum of product. So these are steps to convert SOP, that is sum of product, to standard sum of product form. So first step, what we have to do is find the missing literal in each product term, if any. So what they are saying, we have to find the missing literals in each product of terms. If it is missing, then only we have to take this step. So first step is find the missing literal in each product term. So if it is required, if any, you can write it. So next step is what? In next step, we have to see the product terms which is having a missing literals with the terms formed by or and, the literal and its complement. So what we have to do? So and or operations. There we have to see the product of sum. In that product of sum, whether the literal are missing with the terms formed by and or and the literal and its complement. So that is and. So each product, so each product term is having, product term is having its missing literals with its terms which will be formed by or operation, that is or ring, you can take the literal and its complement. What we have to do in second step? Just we have to write the missing literals and their complements. In short, you just keep in mind in second step, just you need to write a missing literals and their complements. So while solving the example, you will come to know about this second step. So third step, what we have to do? We have to expand the terms by applying the distributive law, and we have to reorder the literals in the product terms. So in third step, we have to expand the terms. We have to expand the given terms and we have to apply the distributive law. Then we have to reorder the literals in the product form. So third step is expand the terms by applying distributive law. Then we have to write the literals reorder. We have to reorder the literals in the product terms. Last step, that is we have to reduce the expressions by omitting the repeated terms, repeated product of terms. For example, that is we have to reduce the expressions repeated product terms. So for example, if any, like A plus A, that is A. So we need to reduce the expressions. For example, if in the product, if any A plus A expressions will come, we are going to write A only. So next, we'll solve the example based on this step. So this 4 step we need to keep in mind while converting the sum of product to standard sum of product. For example, convert the given expressions in the standard sum of product. Convert the given expressions in standard sum of product form. So given expression is what? F of A comma B comma C. That is AC. First, what we have to write? We have to write the missing literals in each product terms. So this is a given expression, that is f of A comma B comma C is equals to AC plus AB plus BC. So in this product term, the literal B is in this product term literal B is missing, and this product term literal C is missing, and this product term literal A is missing. So first step, this is solution. So take it as f of A comma B comma C. So first we'll write the literals, missing literals. So A into C. So there already first step is what? AC plus AB plus BC. So here you can take missing literal is B, and here is C, and here is A. So first step is over. So second step is what? Just we have to write the missing literals and their complements. So second step is, so that is f of A comma B comma C is equals to. So our original product term is AC plus AB plus BC. So now we have to write the missing literals and their complements. So for AC, as we know, the missing literal is B. So and B's their complements, that is B plus B bar. So next is missing little is C. So how we will write AB, that is missing little and its complement, that is C plus C bar. Next is BC into A plus A bar. Missing little is A. So next what we have to write? We have to expand the terms by applying the distributive law and reorder the literals in the product form. So we'll expand so this is second step. So third step, this is first you can write, this is second step. So third step is what? We have to expand the terms and reorder the literals. So how we will expand? By multiplying it. F of A comma B comma C is equals to AC into B, that is ACB plus ACB bar plus ABC plus ABC bar plus BCA plus BCA bar. So in third step, we need to expand the terms and reorder the literals. So already we have expanded the terms, then we'll reorder it. So how we will reorder it? Just see. So reorder you can write. Reorder, that is F of A comma B comma C is equals to, reorder is A, instead of writing ACB, ABC, we have to reorder the terms, that is AB bar C plus ABC plus ABC bar plus BCA, instead of writing BCA, ABC plus BCA bar, that is A bar BC. So this is the third step. So fourth step, what they are saying, reduce the expressions by omitting the repeated product of terms. If any, A plus A, that is equals to A. So in this term, the expression is not considering that A plus A is equals to A. So we'll leave the fourth step. So next example. So in this example you can take ABC and ABC and ABC. Instead of writing like this, you can write it as ABC plus AB bar C, like fourth step. Next is ABC bar, next is A bar BC. So we have applied the fourth step, that is A plus A is equals to A. Okay. So this is also correct. That is ABC is equal to A plus AB bar, ABC bar plus A bar BC. So this is the fourth step of this, F of A, B, C. So I'll give one example to solve. Please solve it and send it to me. That is, you can take it as a homework. Find the missing literals in each product only. Question is, find the missing literal in each terms. So example is F of A comma B comma C is equals to A plus ABC. So just see these expressions. The literal B and C are missing. So you have to take literal B and C, their complement, and you have to expand the terms and you have to reorder the literals. So solve this example and send it to me. So in today's class we have studied regarding the steps to convert the standard SOP to standard SOP form. So in that, first we have to find the missing literals terms, and then we have to find the missing literals and their complement in the second step. Third step, we have to expand the terms and reorder the literals. And fourth step, what we are going to do, we have to reduce the terms, that is we are omitting the repeated product terms. For example, A plus A is equals to A, and we have solved the example based on those steps. So I have given one homework problem. So please follow the steps and convert this standard convert this SOP to standard SOP. Thank you.